Tired of miscommunications and feeling overwhelmed by your own reactions? You're not alone. Most of us were never really taught how to understand or manage our emotions. But what if you could stay calm under pressure, communicate clearly even in conflict, and turn emotional chaos into confidence? In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of emotional intelligence, giving you the tools to navigate your feelings and create stronger, more peaceful connections every day. The EI unveiling beyond just feelings. Ever felt like your emotions are a roller coaster you can't control? Well, emotional intelligence, or EI, isn't about shutting down emotions. It's about understanding them, using them wisely, and staying in charge of how you respond. A big myth is that emotionally intelligent people don't feel strong emotions. But the truth? They do. They just know how to read them, manage them, and respond thoughtfully. And in today's fast-paced world, full of pressure, opinions, and digital noise, emotional intelligence isn't optional. It's your secret weapon for mental peace and better communication. Mapping your emotional landscape. To manage emotions, first you need to recognize them. Can you tell the difference between anger, frustration, and disappointment? They may feel similar, but each tells a different story. When you name your emotion accurately, you gain control over it. Pay attention to your body, too. A tight chest, clenched jaw, or heavy sigh. These are your body's clues that something deeper is happening inside. Listen to them. And here's a simple but powerful habit. Emotion journaling. Every night, take 2 minutes to write, what did I feel today and what triggered it? Over time, you'll start seeing patterns. And that's where awareness begins. The power of pause. Responding, not reacting. One of the most powerful emotional skills is the ability to pause before reacting. Here's the rule. 5 seconds of silence can save 5 hours of regret. In those few seconds, breathe. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now? That tiny moment of awareness gives you the power to choose your next move instead of being controlled by the moment. Empathy also plays a huge role here. When you understand that the other person is reacting from their emotions too, and not just logic, communication becomes easier, calmer, and more meaningful. And don't forget boundaries. Being emotionally intelligent doesn't mean saying yes to everything. It means knowing what drains your energy and learning to say no kindly but firmly to protect your peace. Building your emotional toolkit. Let's make it practical. Here are simple tools to boost your emotional intelligence every day. 1. Mindfulness hacks. Take a 1-minute break during the day to notice your breathing or surroundings. It's a reset button for your emotional state. 2. Communication templates. Instead of saying, you make me angry, try, I feel frustrated when this happens because it matters to me. This small shift turns conflict into understanding. 3. Seek support. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or counselor when emotions feel heavy. Strength isn't about doing it all alone. It's about knowing when to reach out. Your emotionally intelligent future. When you develop emotional intelligence, your whole life begins to transform. You become calmer under stress, more connected in relationships, and more confident in who you are. You'll notice fewer misunderstandings and more meaningful conversations. Your peace of mind grows and the people around you feel it too, because emotional intelligence is contagious. So here's your next step. For the next week, pause once a day and ask yourself, what am I feeling and why? Just that question will start reshaping the way you think, feel, and respond. Remember, emotional intelligence isn't about controlling your emotions. It's about understanding them. So they no longer control you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a little calm today, and subscribe for more videos on emotional growth and communication. Let's build a more emotionally intelligent world together. Thanks for watching.